Namaskar ladies and gentlemen, my name is Manisha Verma. I'm working as PRO for Ayush Herbs Private Limited, Himachal Pradesh. Today we will be talking about the immunity kit that Ayush Herbs is going to launch soon. It comes with a lot of health benefits and consists of 3 elements, one being Flucomune, second one being Haldi, and third one being Ashwagandha DS. It is a must-have to combat the virus situation that we are facing in the world today. First, let's talk about Flucomune. This is an immunity enhancer and it is a perfect rasayana as per ancient Ayurveda. It supports and nourishes the immune system. It helps in digestion. It detoxifies your entire body inside out. It supports the liver function and will take care of your overall health. So all in all, this should be one of our best buddies nowadays. We will now talk about Haldi. The bioactive compound present in Haldi, which is known as Curcuma, exerts antiviral activities against a lot of enveloped viruses, and this is why it is a must-have for all of us. Its anti-inflammatory features also helps to cure conditions like pneumonia, etc. And it is also known for its antimicrobial activities, neuroprotective features, and cardioprotective features. So this is a must-have for all of us, from kids to elderly, everyone must have it. We will not talk about Ashwagandha DS. This is my third best buddy. It comes with a lot of health benefits, that's why I call it a magical herb. It will help to fight general debility. It helps to cure stress and anxiety related issues. In fact, this is the best adaptogen that comes with immunomodulatory properties. It enhances strength and stamina and will help you to have a very peaceful sleep. So that's why it is a must-have in order to cope the issues that we are facing because of today's lifestyle and environment also. So ladies and gentlemen, that was the brief introduction of the immunity kit that we will be launching soon. If you have more queries, then please log on to our website www.ayushherbs.com, or if you have any specific health related query, then please feel free to contact us on the number and the email address mentioned below. We'll be glad to assist you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai India, Jai Bharat.